Hi, good to see you all. This is Robert over at Dudley Toolrite, and I just had a couple announcements to make. One is the Barzi Bash is coming up very shortly in 2 weeks. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, June 23rd, 24th, and 25th. Hosted by Stan Zinkowski of Barzi Industrial. So if you want to get tickets, go to barziindustrial.com and get yourself some tickets. Stan's YouTube channel is Shade On HKW. Check that out. He gives information about the bash there. There's always all kinds of prizes and auctions and things that you can check out. It's a well worthwhile event because it's where YouTubers go to meet other YouTubers. It's actually really cool. I've met all kinds of people there. There's some standard people that show up pretty much every time, like Tom Lipton. You've got to know who he is. He's a fantastic YouTuber that shares his decades of experience with the rest of us beginning machinists. So we all really appreciate him. Stan himself is a fairly experienced machinist. A bunch of others, Keith Fenner, Keith Rucker. I don't know if Fenner's making it this year. I think Keith Rucker is. But just a bunch of YouTubers show up, just talk stories, share shop stories. There's a bunch of items for sale and consignment there. There's lots of people to talk to. You can make connections in the industry. Some people are professionals. There's a lot of amateurs. And so it's well worth seeing. Also, on a note of my own, I just wanted to give you a warning that in the next few weeks there's going to be a lot of items to review, because while I was working on that other project for several months running, I didn't get a chance to do reviews, and a lot of products were sent to me. A lot of them I didn't ask for. But as long as I've got them, we might as well check them out and see if they're worth looking at. So it's not that I'm skipping doing machining work. I absolutely am not. I've got a ton of projects backed up, but I've also got a bunch of products that need to be reviewed. So that's where we're going to be heading in the next short time. And I hope to see you at the Barzi Bash. I'm going to do my best to make it. My wife has surgery the week before, but I think I'm going to be able to make it. So provided there aren't any issues with that, I should be there. So thank you all for watching my channel, and I really appreciate all of your comment contributions. I learn a ton from what you have to say. Even if I don't always agree, I always learn something from what you said, because it makes me think about my process and my procedures and my understanding of the topic. So it's never a waste. So thank you all very much, and I really appreciate you. Hope to see you soon.